Right, so I'm just testing this. This is on a demo trading on this Mexc, what I use. Got a live account as well, but I just thought I'd have a little play around on this one because I'm trying something a bit different, something what I wouldn't normally do. Because I've got it on, let me pull this screen out a little bit. If you look here, I've got it on isolated 400. So that's times 400, whatever you put in. And if you look at that, got 1,000 USDT in. But my margin call's only like $2.69. So it's in profit at the minute. So what I've done is I've set a stop. Well, I haven't set a stop loss, but I put my auto margin on, and I set for it to take profit here at like 100%. So I'm just having a play around, see what we can do. What I've done is I've set another order where the margin call is. So basically, what happens is I'll not get my margin call here because I've got it set to auto margin addition, so it'll just keep adding a bit in. But what I'm doing is where it would liquidate, I've actually set a buy and hope that it'll come back up again. What I would normally do on this is, if you can see where I've got these marks, this is on a 1 minute chart, by the way. I mean, what I'd normally do is I wouldn't kind of like buy while it crossed over these points in real time. But like I say, this is demo trading. It's not gonna cost me out. So I'm just having a play around, and yeah, let's have a go at this one. It's good. But what I'm trying to do on this one is, like I said, I've got it on 400, isolated 400, which the most I've ever done is like 100, to be honest, and I'm careful with that. But I'm just seeing what we can do on it. Just we can do like short little trades, because at the moment Bitcoin, as you know, it ain't moving a deal, and that's why I got it set up minute chart, just see what we can get out of it. So yeah, it's worth having a play around with that. And to be honest, that's done 40 cents. It's not a lot, but this isn't bad. 269. If if you've got a good account, strong account, and you want to take a few risks, it's not bad. But yeah, always best to go on demo trading first and have a play around. So I'm gonna let this run for a little bit and see what we can do. And if it gets caught here, I'll have a look what the next liquidation price. It probably won't be as far down. It might be like around this area. So we'll see. And if we can get some trades on it. And it gives me an idea what kind of bank I need to do something like this. Because, yeah, it's like I always say, there's nothing wrong with doing, they tell you not to do these amounts. Normally I wouldn't. But like I say, it's... If you're just wanting a little gamble, don't put loads of money in what you can't afford to lose. Just put a few pound in and just play around with it. But like I said, definitely one demo first. So it's coming down a little bit. I dig up to like 60 summit. It's back up to 67, 76 cents again. It's climbed up a little bit. It's trying to get past this. Every time it gets to here and you look, this area, it's bouncing back. So you could take a get out if you wanted. And this one you could close it up on this and then wait for it to drop a little bit and rinse and repeat. So we'll see how this goes, see if it comes back down, because it's definitely bouncing in these areas, as you can see. Look, struggling to get past. We'll see what it does. If it comes back down again, I might take a little bit. Yeah, it's trying it. Yeah, see, it's coming back down again. So I might get rid of that one. We've done like 60 something. I'll do another one. I'll take it on about this, see if we can get one in here. I'll put a stop in on this one. Wait, white. I'll modify it. Oh, that one, won't we? So Yeah, that should put it in. So we'll see if it catches that now, because I don't know, like 60, wait, 60 cents? Can't remember it were now. I think it was about 60 cents, something like that. Yeah, even though it doesn't seem like a lot, if you just scalp these through there, there's some amount up through there, through a week. Yeah, it does actually get quite a lot. Not too much risk either. I just thought I'd put that on just to show you what I'm playing about with today. I'm going to have a bit longer on this and we'll do some of my sports trades. See what comes through. I've put a new, well, not a new method, but a new way around a method on his Patreon. Let's go across and take a look if you haven't noticed the email come through. Right, I'm going to shoot and get some bits done.